Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to edit videos in your Android phone. Now, to edit videos, at first you have to download a third-party apps. Now, just open up your Play Store, then tap on the search icon, then search for CapCut, then tap on CapCut, then tap on Install. Now CapCut will be downloaded and installed automatically. You don't have to do anything. Now just give it a moment to download it. And the download is complete. Now just open CapCut. Then tap on agree and continue. Then skip this part. Then tap on edit. And here it is. CapCut is the best video editing app for your Android phone. If you want to edit any videos, just tap on new project. Then tap on allow. Then tap on turn on notification, then just allow it, then go back. From here choose the video that you want to edit. If I select this, then tap on add option, then tap on try it now, and that's it. Now your CapCut app is ready for editing. You can learn how to edit video using CapCut from other tutorials. And that is how you can edit videos in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe